Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WorldFirst Bank account. First, open your browser and go to the official WorldFirst website. Then, click Open an account or Get started on the homepage. Now, choose the account type, such as business, online seller, or personal. Select your country of registration and click Continue. Next, enter your business name, email, and password to register. Then, provide your company registration number and tax ID if applicable. Add your business address and phone number. Then, confirm the currencies and regions you plan to send or receive money from. Now, upload valid identity documents like passport, ID card, or business license. Then, wait for verification approval. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, log in and access your dashboard. Finally, create your multi-currency accounts and start sending or receiving funds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.